Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on your TCL Smart TV. So on the remote, you can use the navigation buttons to go up, and on the right side of the screen to open the settings. And in the settings, you can go to the device preferences right here. From here, you can scroll down and you will see the language right here if you click on the language. So from here you can change any language that you want. You can scroll down to select that particular language, whichever you want to choose. Here's a full list of languages that TCL Smart TV support. So as you can see, mine is English UK. I can change it to any one that I want. So once you change your language, it is going to take a while to change it, and then it will change it. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.